Little Nut Brown Hare, who was going to bed, held on tight to Big Nut Brown Hare's very long ears.
Guess how much I love you? How much I love you. This high from my toes to my top, as far as I can hop. Big Nut Brown Hare! What's that?
That's a hairy caterpillar. Day soon it will change into a beautiful butterfly.
Grow, grow, up, up. Everything changes as the time ticks by. Grow, grow, up, up, up. Nothing stays the same. Do you know why? Which blue do you like best? The sky? The river? Or the flowers? Colours up above us, colours on the ground. Wherever we look, colours all around. 9, 10.
Coming, ready or not? Can you see him?
Boo!
We need to wrap up warm and be careful as we go. But it's magical to see the first flakes of falling snow. Yes, snow! Snow! Snow!
I love you. Right up to the moon.
I love you. Right up to the moon. And back.
Absolutely wonderful.
Oh, I'm so...
First time I've ever been anywhere like that, and that was absolutely lovely.
They were beautiful.
Beautifully furry, really furry.
Very cuddly looking. You wanted to cuddle
Lucy
the
was
hairs,
very
didn't you?
excited.
Well, I thought the hares were really lovely, but what I think we liked most of all was in winter, when there was real snow coming down.
I did like the ladybird.
Highly recommend it, wouldn't we, girls?
Definitely.
Yes.
Oh, they were all joining in, dancing, jumping up and down. Oh, it was lovely.
Costumes were great, absolutely fabulous. I was a bit intrigued how you were going to get an hour out of what is effectively a 3-minute book. It was really well done.
We loved the show. It was brilliant for the children, just really the right pitch for this age group, and they loved singing and dancing to it.